Hello students, welcome to video teaching. It's chemistry for class 10. The current topic is chemical bonding. In last video I explained the definition of chemical bond. I also explained that why do atoms involved in chemical bond. In this video I will discuss general types of bond, main types of bond, and also its specific types. There are two main types of chemical bond: electrovalent bond and covalent bond. Electrovalent bond is also called ionic bond because the bond established between ions, positively charged ions, cations, and negatively charged ions, anions, so called ionic bond. The resulting compound is called electrovalent compound or ionic compound. Means the compound having this kind of bond, electrovalent bond or ionic bond, called ionic compound or electrovalent compounds. Second is covalent bond. Covalent bond is formed by sharing of valence electrons, by sharing of electrons between participating atoms. And the compounds having this kind of bond, say covalent, are called covalent compounds. So these are the two main types of chemical bond: electrovalent bond and covalent. And there are some special type of chemical bonds as coordinate covalent bond. It is also called dative bond. It's a special type of covalent bond, coordinate covalent bond. And the second one is hydrogen bond. It is also a special type of covalent bond. Well, so these are the main types of chemical bond. These are the different types of chemical bond. The main types are electrovalent bond and covalent. Electrovalent bond is also called ionic bond. Is formed by exchange of electrons, exchange of valence electron between atoms, between the participating atoms. This type of bond usually formed between a highly reactive metal, means a reactive metal, and a reactive non-metal, means between a highly electropositive atom and a highly electronegative element. This type of bond, ionic bond, is established. Electropositive elements, highly electropositive, means highly reactive metals, usually have 1, 2 or 3 electrons in their valence. On the other hand, reactive nonmetals, means electronegative elements, highly electronegative elements, possess 5, 6 or 7 electrons in their valence. This type of valence cell configuration of the two participating element or atoms favors the formation of electrovalent. When one of the participating atom, one of the element has 1, 2 or 3 valence electron, while another participant has 5, 6 or 7 electrons in its valence cell, then exchange of electrons takes place, resulting the formation of ions, cations and anions. The atom which lose electrons acquire positive charge and become positively charged ions, that is cations. Another participant means atom which gains one or more electron in its valence shell become negatively charged, called anions. Now, a electrostatic force of attraction arises between the oppositely charged ions, which bind them together. In this way, ionic bond is established between reactive metals and non-metals, resulting in the formation of an ionic compound or electrochemical. Okay, let's understand it with a simple example. Let's consider the formation of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, the two constituent elements of sodium chloride are sodium and chlorine. Let me explain the formation of electrochemical bond considering the example of sodium chloride. Formation of sodium chloride. The compound is presented by formula NaCl. The two constituent elements are sodium and chlorine. Sodium, its atomic number of sodium is 11. You have learned to write electronic configuration in class 9. We can write its electronic configuration in this way. There are 11 electrons, so 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. Bohr-Berry spin by Bohr-Berry spin 281. 281. Number of valence electron 1. Next, chlorine atom, its electronic configuration 287. Number of valence electron 7. The condition favors the formation of electron. One of the atom has 1 electron in its valence shell, while another participant has 7 valence. This is the condition which favors exchange of electron and hence the formation of an ionic bond. Sodium loses one of its valence electron. The only valence electron is lost by the sodium atom. As a result, it becomes sodium cation, means sodium. The electron lost by sodium gained by chlorine atom forming chloride ion. Now, the sodium ion has a valence electron. It acquires octet state, the state of neon. It's the most stable state for sodium. And chlorine acquires 8 electrons, also acquires 8 electrons in its valence. It acquires the configuration of orbital, the nearest inner gas. Okay? Now, a force of attraction arises between the two participating atoms, say sodium, two participating ions, two resulting ions, sodium ions and chloride ions, resulting in the formation of sodium chloride. It's an ion or electron. I hope you all have understood the main types of chemical bond. Also, you understood the condition favoring the formation of electrocovalent bond and also the mechanism of formation of an electron. That's all. Thank you.